Welcome to this hypnosis meditation. In just 5 minutes, we'll step into a space of calm, a sanctuary within your mind where stress melts away and peace takes its place. Let's begin by making yourself comfortable, either sitting or lying down. Gently closing your eyes and now settling into the rhythm of your breath. Notice the gentle flow of air as it enters and leaves your body. Each breath, like the tide, rises and falls effortlessly. And with every exhale, you can imagine releasing tension, like a leaf drifting downstream. Allow yourself to soften with each breath, feeling the weight of the day begin to lift now. If your mind wanders during this time, that's okay. Just guide it gently back to the rhythm of your breath. This is your time to let go. Picture yourself now standing in a meadow bathed in golden light. The warmth of the sun wraps around you, gentle and reassuring. In the distance, there is a large oak tree, its roots deep in the earth, unshakable. This tree represents your inner strength, solid and steady, no matter what storms pass by. Take a moment to walk towards the tree, noticing the soft grass beneath your feet and the gentle rustling of leaves overhead. As you get closer, you can feel the calm energy radiating from the tree, inviting you to connect with its strength and stillness. Now imagine the golden light around you beginning to flow inward, filling every part of your body. It moves through your head, your chest, your arms and legs. With each breath, this light grows stronger, brighter, washing away the weight of the day. The golden light is like a gentle wave washing over you, carrying away any lingering tension. It's as though you're being cleansed from within, leaving only a sense of ease and clarity behind. Feel yourself becoming lighter, freer, more at peace with every moment. Take a moment to notice now the sounds around you. The gentle breeze, the rustling leaves, the quiet hum of the earth beneath you. These sounds remind you that calm and balance are always within reach, no matter where you are or what's happening around you. Take one more deep breath in, and as you exhale, feel yourself lighter and freer, like a feather carried gently by the wind. Imagine yourself floating effortlessly, weightless and serene, knowing that this sense of calm is always available to you. Now let's finish by grounding this calm with 3 powerful affirmations. Repeat these words in your mind or out loud. I am grounded and calm. Peace flows through me like a river. With each breath, I release what no longer serves me. Let each affirmation sink in deeply, as though you are planting seeds of peace and resilience within yourself. With every breath, imagine these affirmations growing stronger, their roots intertwining with the strength of the oak tree. Notice how each affirmation feels within you. Maybe it's a warmth in your chest or a softening in your shoulders. Allow this feeling to grow, anchoring you in the present moment. And when you're ready, start to bring your awareness back to the room. Moving your fingers and toes, take a stretch if you'd like, and open your eyes. Notice how lighter and steadier you feel, ready to carry this calm, peaceful steadiness with you into the rest of your day or night. Thank you for joining me today. If this session brought you peace, consider liking this video to let me know, subscribing for more, and sharing it with someone who could use a moment of calm. You can also access more guided hypnosis sessions, meditations and tools to help you with stress and IBS relief by downloading my Calm Gut app. Inside the app, you'll find over 100 recordings designed to support your journey to a calmer mind and a happier gut. Start your free 7-day trial by clicking the link below in the description. And up next is a longer 10-minute stress relief meditation designed to help you unwind, release tension, and find inner peace.